Here, we will be talking about digital economy at Biomed Global and its industry. By focusing on Biomed Global, a healthcare company that utilizes data analysis to improve business outcomes. The digital economy allows businesses to leverage data for improving product development, marketing strategies, and also customer satisfaction. Located at Bandar Sri Damansara, Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia, this is where all data engineers and analysts gather to watch data obtained from worldwide to improve the company marketing and performance worldwide to reach customer satisfaction. Of course, data analysis is not an easy procedure. There are 5 steps of process that they have to obtain and apply to the data in order to have a result to increase marketing performance and also their customer satisfaction. 5 steps of data analysis are application, collect, analyze, action, and results. By following this ascending order, company can reach its peak performance and satisfy most customers worldwide.
Now we are talking to the application of data analysts. At the BioGlobal, the data analysts play a critical role in enhancing the business performance, especially in the 3 key areas, which are the product development and sales improvement and identifying the new customer groups. So we'll go for the first one, the new product development. BioGlobal has systematically used the data from the customer feedback and the market trends to improve their product offerings, and also by analyzing the survey and the social media opinions, and they will identify the gaps inside in existing product and the development solution. They will meet their both current and future healthcare needs. And this ensuring that they are address the new requirements of both patients and the providers, which will ultimately at least the better outcome in the healthcare. So we go for the second one, which is the sales improvement. So they will leverage the advanced analytical tools to access their sales data and the market condition. And this will help them to focus the customer behavior and adjust their sales strategies. For example, with a product in the high demand, they will plan better to avoid the stock shortages. This also reduces the resource waste and optimize their market efforts, also allowing them to personalize the customer engagement. So we go for the last one, which is identifying the new customer groups. So for the BioGlobal, they does not just rely on their existing customer. They will use the internal and external data to find out the potential new market. If they notice that a specific demographic showed in the interest in the service like telehealth, they adjust their market accordingly. By engaging early with these new groups, they will build a strong customer relationship and ensure that their products meet the evolving needs of the market. So in summary, BioGlobal data and drive approach not only to boost their business performance, but also ensure that they are continuously involving with the customer at the center. Their ability to turn the data insight into the actionable strategy has been a key factor in their success in the healthcare industry.
In today's competitive landscape, successful business rely on more dangerous institution that depends on data. At Biomed Global, we collect and leverage data from both internal and external sources to drive informed decision. Internally, we use ERP system to track employees training, helping us continuously improve workforce development. With CRM tools, we gather sales data to analyze customer behavior, giving us the insight we need to fine-tune our marketing strategy. Externally, customer survey and social media feedback offer a direct line to understand our customer need and experience. We also tap into industry database and specializes registries like the list registries, unlocking valuable market insight and identifying new prospects. To this combined data collect method, Biomed Global ensure we stay ahead, continuously innovating and growing with precision.
I'm gonna talk about how data play a crucial role in helping us market our products better and improve our overall business performance. As Mr. Evan explained, raw data in its initial form can often be overwhelming. It's not always easy to digest or even reliable for most of us. That's where our dedicated team of data engineer and steward come in. Through a process called ETL, which stands for extract, transform, and load, they take this raw data from various sources, clean and organize it into format that is easier to work with. By doing this, they turn data into valuable information, which become the foundation for our next step. But it doesn't stop there. Once we have this structured information, the team works tirelessly to shift through it by slicing and dicing the data. They are able to uncover patterns and trends. It's in the pattern where we find our value insight that help inform the decision we make. Insight, as Mr. Evan emphasized, are the key to improving both our marketing strategy and overall business performance. These insights guide us toward actionable steps, whether that is refining a marketing campaign, tweaking a product strategy, or improving our processes. While data analysis help us arrive at these insights, the ultimate goal is always action that drives the result. In summary, what Mr. Evan's team does is take raw data, turn it into structural information, extract key insight, and use those insights to flow decisions that propel our marketing and business to greater success.
Many companies struggle with wasting resource on board marketing campaigns that don't really hit the mark. Biomed Global was no exception. They wanted to make sure that their marketing budget was being used wisely, so they turned the data analysis to solve the problem. The first step Biomed Global took was to use their data and identify customer key segment. They analyzed information like gender, age, location, and even though the spending power to create the detailed profile of their target audience. This allowed them to focus their effort on reaching the right people at the right time. Next, Biomed Global used predictive analytics to determine which customer segment would give them a best return. By focusing their resource on these high potential groups, they made every marketing dollar count. This data-driven approach allowed them to avoid overspending and instead get more values out of their marketing budget. But they didn't stop there. Biomed took personality to next level by tailoring their marketing message to individual customer segment. They used the data to understand each group preference and needs, creating personal offers and recommendations that feels relevant and timely. Whether it was special promotion or a new product recommendation, the personal touch made customer feel understood. And when marketing feels personal, people are more likely to respond. This led a higher conversion rate and increased sales. One of the smarter things Biomed Global did was to set continuous feedback loop. They collect data on how their campaign were performed performing and gather direct feedback from the customer. This allowed them to refine their future campaign and making one of each more effective and plus. By constantly improving their marketing strategy based on the real-time data and customer insight, Biomet Global ensure that they stay aligned with their customer actually wanted. This led to be better outcome and be more satisfied customer.
Biomet Global's integration of data allowed them to shift from broad, inefficient marketing to targeted personalized campaign. By analyzing demographic and behavioral data, they were able to reach the right customers at the right time, resulting in higher engagement and increased ROI. The feedback loop from customer interactions allowed them to constantly refine their strategies, staying relevant in the rapidly changing healthcare market. Beyond marketing, data also enabled Biomet Global to streamline their internal operations. Using systems like CRM and ERP, they could monitor sales performance, forecast demand, and optimize inventory management. This prevented stock shortages and reduced waste, while also improving workforce management by tracking employee performances and training needs. Externally, Biomet Global used data analysis to understand emerging market trends and customer preferences. By tapping into external data, they were able to anticipate demand for new services, such as telehealth, and adjust their offerings accordingly, expanding their customer base and staying ahead of competitors.